Welcome to HeatSign. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the UV laser marker to engrave exquisite patterns on ceramic tableware. First, rotate the emergency stop button to release the machine. Turn on the red light to assist in laser focusing. Now, power on the system. Insert the wireless mouse receiver and connect the mouse. Enter password. Now we select the pattern from the vector. Adjust the size of the pattern. Set the marking parameters. For ceramic marking on wood, we recommend speed 1500 mm/s, power 90%. These settings give you high contrast marks without damaging the surface. Click Preview to check the position. Adjust if necessary. Now, everything is ready. Start the marking process. That's it. Your design is now beautifully engraved. If you'd like to explore more King solutions or see how HeatSign can help your business, contact us today.